watching my mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy.
Inti me call you because na me work experience ninti no. Me nyia no to misa no na ye more mature the chain. Omo kuta HND ni ade omo de aba because me SS graduate at the time but I had on the field experience. Inti me name how I me say then. Inti ya fa medjuma nti me na start radio on Koso radio.
Inti ebrebe na start radio no.
Radio me started 2003. Me we secondary school 2002. And I'm starting radio 2003. Me started 2002 now me be fia na me started ejuma nti me working experience from 2002 from secondary school. And I'm my ejuma san be payment me school sa me call degree whatever me ye nyina me nja ejuma da anko. Nti bia me evening student, e bia me weekend student. Me be ejuma da bia bon say me be ejuma da bia so na me go school na me try exams na me wie na me graduate na me start pursue another course. That's how I do my things. Nti yeah, and I speak with you no me da school. Like I'm on vacation until
okay. So it's 23 years in here medium.
Yes. Till December in 23 years.
It's a yes celebrity.
Senior woman.
It's a Ghana.
Well, like auntie
na oba ye no ohuni say bibia kokama.
Okay, well, it's been an experience.
Okay.
Mete wiase ase na mete ase abrabo no dey is basically osuahunu.
Okay.
Nkwa kra wunya ba ye no it's an experience that you have had because nipa bebe ni enyem omo munya chance me enwo. Obi wa ida say e be abort oni efunu no betumi ase ni ade. Enti ho kwan wunya ye e de mane mu fa say ye chim wo ana se bi ekotwa na eyi oba ye no is an experience you have had. Obeto asasi so bibia that's about it. No? Yeah. Basically an experience. Enti no I've experienced Nyama from different stages. Okay. My experience in Nipa ahodo penyine mofra based on nyuma ahodo ma ye ne miaya ahodo amatena manta ma ahodo amakom and all that. Ede be pema ware mu ne awo mu, you know, running my own ejuma. So be fa workers experience with workers ne obeba obeye say ne obeko no aye say. It's been full of experiences. It be a betrayal, be a disappointment, it be a challenges, it be a attacks. But we have survived till here. Wow. Yeah.
Thank God. Say brother no Ohemaa Wojeje.
Well, me worry 2017. Nyankopon ya adom next year na nka menya 10 years. Say Nyankopon ya adom na boni bi ensia. Next year we be celebrate 10 years wa worry.
10 years.
Odom ye ne ya.
Odi adom ye ndida. Wa kuma penti onyame. Wa ye ni nyina bi dida. It is wa worry na adwuma wi na be ma ne te baby na oso te baby no experience ni say na ya na eti.
Okay. Say be ye nipa na ya watenka ne de. Enye easy sa. Say to da bi abetena say the whole say be a whole year na ma entu kwan a. Because kanena me kunu eba more. Okay. Especially why for na say ye funu ba mu nti no no ja na adwuma ho. Ebetena mu ha na broche de wo free ho betena how you lose a lot. Yeah. Nti na oye nhye ye say ye we nkrata na bibia nti me me fa anywhere time that we want to travel no we don't nya fe na okwaje visa and we to kwan. Ti that say we decide say obetena ho. And at any time I person oba na obeba. Nti no well I just manage enough form but I manage to be okay, especially because my first so come home you know and my own feeling lonely and because me were busy schedule
always busy
every day if you're lonely and you're not working and I would say sad you know okay but when you are occupied I didn't see what problem can I say we a busy person we need other job or no problems and all that much until now was on content okay say so basically that, but so we manage. Wow. But you manage.
Yeah. What radio personality? Tembia, what's radio? So, some businesses entrepreneur. Fahana, Kwaha, Kolano. Our says Nina saying a yana eti because as a baby, why busy? No single day. Hey, busy body.
Well, I would say a division of labor. Yeah. And apart from that, priorities and our preference and the word passion. Okay. Into radio, dear, something that's I'm passionate about. Okay. Into so be sure me ya me de me hu nyina ehim. Into ma se me ya me hu po say ye adwuma na me ye. Even though ye adwuma but so who says so ye adwuma na ye adwuma okra pa. It is not too much of a work for you because you already enjoy the work you do. Yeah. me selecting me obi a me penyom pa say my radio and me a musician because I recorded a lot of songs whilst I me go Kumas a lot.
Yeah, can person be so present say radio pa ke juma be na decide
along the lines me be ye nyom who say me wo nyom me Jamaican artist.
Oh yeah.
Me ne King Jerry wo nyom nti me obi a me penyom ti selecting and playing nyom no me nim nyom dada nti easy say me boy line we me boy gospel me boy gospel high life me be say me fa me boy praise me nim me boy hip life me nim me boy old school me nim me boy adada mu me nim o ti ase nti no ade a me nim me pe na me ye nti enye den sa na school no so ameko no esse me upgrade because for time I started radio na be there nti social media so after na the CD player me use CD bag na me select CD ze de bonyom ya upgrade ya use different softwares I de bonyom from sa PC DJ for na be pemene serato I use nti ma grow nti I have to esse me upgrade me go school say na be ya service obi so be ka ho na oye adwuma ne bia who experience the year back so who jeja ho say won upgrade ya before you know no was stay why dada oh na so ho atwam enti no amount for baby go afa so nti that's how come still I have to make time say make go school so aka ho and na edu ba bia ya na adwuma a wo ye no akatua ne so because say wo nyakopon ma wo din ne animonyam no e de ho ahwehwede nam it brings you a lot of responsibilities nti people expect that you do more for them and so because of that you know as I say me ye bibi ka ho top radio and I'm starting here Ohemaa Wojeje shito me we a diploma with University of Ghana Legon I'm starting shito no and I'm shito for all the years till now and so na me the bar drinking bar no ni restaurant ni fugu no and all other things e ba be ka ho ti shito ni ye me mother business so I'm doing that say the be I make me a survive nti won ti Ohemaa Wojeje na bia o cham jam feature say bombosia because say be no so interest say me hu to bring shame me for down will be bad e better say ade e cham so ne me kakra wade me nyedi auntie I do all those things say be me balance life no me way through o china nko Ghana for the enyawa so when me say wonye omo bone kra enya say so power omo akra ti me pam adwuma na ne e de abesha wo to baby ni obi atem ne wo to wad bet
no de nka mi be bisa okra sisi a
atem omuni adanse bia so eche na omo achetere se wadi atem na no omo aba be ko atia sa atem na wo mo na se wadi a okra wonya we no nti you have had people fighting you that they don't even know you and ubisa say e de empa na Ohemaa ye nta wudi na atem oni hwe ka but we hu se bia udi Ohemaa Wojeje atem trend e cover
trend and Ohemaa nso me so
I mean few
ko ba be poncho ba
sister na me shadow ya me metena se no we konto no me hwe mpo watem de me hwe me ntie obi send ma me delete o tag me block you
eno so ka ho e na ma
we preserve me peace
yeah and I want say ama unyi nyina nso na papa won say na oguso ye more young because fasa wo mo ne ma no enka enti emre bi aba e na se ne a toda wo mu jojo wo ni ade no waka se da bi ade se nya adwuma ya enye radio adwuma ya e ko mu ndi matem wo manim ase ne ade sa etimi njai emre bi aba e na waka se adwuma yi di
mempa abada
wow
mempa abada because mebusuan for me nuano mo mema no they are so solid I have a family ti me nya nam for sem men ni adam for me ko ni fie and asa adam for bi oba me fie no e bia me business na e bia e be share me business center ne ade e bit me share programs as e be vibe nice oh yeah me colleague me no be vibe to say me no na damp across industry no mo parties are who say we together we vibe nicely but it ends there at the locations at the event venues you know we am schoolmates I bet me to say busuan pa but because I have a family and omo time echi omo share me den issue ba they advise me and I listen to advice say e sha se no say me nipa e bia nka meto bomb pa so nim say me bomb
yeah o bomb dey wan sha
obi anu wanu nya yansen Ohemaa Wojeje but because me want to na me won ye kasa kire me and when they talk to me I listen
okay
until I don't come out say me be me hu fi me ntimi no me yes ade because when I don't listen to them ochina I will have nobody standing behind me
okay
intimate no when they talk to me I listen that be why nipa bebre bia omadi matematwem I didn't mind them because means through and as them now can meet me can the chance e dey actual but me want it here and I'm tie kasa yeah
says it's who ni say wo mo a eya na wɔn di watem no nkɔfo na ɛhyɛ wɔn akyi ɛbɔ wɔn paa sɛ wɔn nyɛ saa anaasɛ sɛ yi.
Okay. I say it's about Friday na bada.